In this tutorial, we demonstrate how flexibility of the TimeTrax allows you to transact payroll process. The workflow involves closing of month, attendance entry, salary structure, allowance or loan transactions, employee stop salary, end of service and payroll process. Go ahead with entering username and password for login. After successful login, system will redirect you to TimeTrax dashboard screen. Before payroll can be processed, it is necessary that the previous month is closed. You can close previous month by going to tab Month Close under the tab Payroll Admin within Admin. Select the year, month, and payroll type from the drop-down and click on Process. Month has been closed successfully. You can also roll back it by clicking on Roll Back Process. It is imperative to add attendance entry for the month, whose payroll needs to be processed. In order to make attendance entry, select the tab Attendance Entry within Payroll module, Payroll Process. Now select the year, month, branch, department, employee grade and employee from the drop-down lists. Then click on Show button. Employees' attendance details are displayed on screen. If you need to edit the attendance details, you can change absent days and leave with pay. Present days will be automatically changed. Then, if you want to save the records for month, check mark on Include box and click on Save. Data has been saved successfully. In the same way, you can delete any record, check mark on Include box and click on Delete. TimeTrax provides you another way to enter attendance into the system. It can be added by uploading a spreadsheet. For the process, go to Upload Attendance under the tab Payroll, Payroll Process. Click on Download Template and save the spreadsheet into the system. You need to add employee ID, absent days, and leave with pay days. Same as insert the details of all employees. Then save this file into your system. Select desired year and month from the drop-down. You can upload this by clicking on Browse button to locate the created attendance spreadsheet from your system. Then click on Send to upload the attendance spreadsheet. You can use employees' Excel sheet by creating as per your criteria to which you can fill as per your requirement. This file contains all employees' information. You can add absent and leave days and upload it to system. If you have a new employee whose salary structure needs to be defined, you can do this through Master Payroll form. Let's create a Master Payroll of an employee. Select the tab Master Payroll under the tab Payroll Process within Payroll. Select the branch, department, and employee from the drop-down lists. A button Show All Details will appear. Click on that button. Insert the details in all columns. Select allowance and enter the value. Then select the currency from the drop-down and enter the effective date, applicable date, and end date. Select frequency as monthly. Select the payroll type and company bank. Enter the account number and SWIFT code. Then select Pay Currency and Bank from the drop-down and enter Bank Transfer ID. You can click on Add button to add more records, or if you want to delete, click on Delete. After that, click on Save. Master Payroll has been created. TimeTrax provides you multiple ways to deal with Master Payroll. It can also be added by uploading a spreadsheet. For this process, go to Upload Master Payroll under the tab Payroll, Payroll Process. Click on Download Template and save the spreadsheet into the system. You need to properly fill this sheet as per your payroll policies. Now you can upload this by clicking on Browse button to locate the created master payroll spreadsheet from your system. Then click on Send to upload the master payroll spreadsheet. Not only you can directly upload a spreadsheet for master payroll, but also TimeTrax provides you another feasibility to create your employees sheet to which you can edit as per your requirement. Select payroll type from the drop-down. Then select allowance and criteria from the drop-down, or you can keep all. Then click on Create button. This file contains all employees' information. You can add details and upload it to system. If you have defined grade structure for your company and pay is based on grades, then you needs to map employees' gross salary with their assigned grades. Then for this purpose, salary structure option is available within payroll process. Once you will map salary structure with assigned grades, it will automatically generate master payroll. Let's move to the process. Select division and employee from the drop-down list. You can see that some fields are filled with the basic details of employee, however you can change some fields like currency, payroll type, and account number, bank transfer ID and SWIFT code. Now insert the amount of gross salary. And click on Save. Gross salary has been mapped with the assigned grade. You can view in the list below. Now we'll demonstrate how to add increments that will be paid along with the salary. Select the tab Increment Transaction with Payroll module, Payroll Process. Select the desired branch and employee, payroll year, and payroll type, and allowance from the drop-down lists. Then select the date from given calendar. Select Increment by and enter the percentage on which increment will be added. Select Approver and Status and enter any suitable remarks into Remarks field with respect to increment. Then click on Save button. Increment transaction has been successfully saved. You can see this in list below. For monthly allowance or deduction processes, go ahead to monthly allowance or deduction within the tab Payroll, Payroll Process. Now select the division and employees from the drop-down lists. You can see that the all fields are filled with the data already stored in system. Then click on Show All Detail button, select allowance and enter the value. Then enter the effective date, applicable date, and end date. Select frequency and payroll type. You can click on Add button to add more records, or if you want to delete, click on Delete. After that, click on Save. Monthly allowance has been added. TimeTrax also provides you ability to stop salary of an employee due to any reason. Go ahead to tab Employee, Stop Salary under the tab Payroll Admin within Admin option. Select the year, month, payroll type, and status from the drop-down. You can stop, release or delete the salary. Insert any suitable remarks with respect to stop salary. Select desired criteria from the criteria list or keep all, then click on Show button. Now check mark on employee ID whose salary you want to stop and click on Save. Data has been saved. If you need to process end of service of a resigned employee, select the tab End of Service within the tab Payroll, Payroll Process. Select the employee, filter, payroll type, and the process date. For preliminary process end of service, click on Preliminary Process EOS button. If you want to create the final process, click on Final Process EOS button. You can also view the EOS voucher by clicking on EOS voucher button. Now the last step is payroll process for a month. Select the tab Payroll Process within Payroll tab under the tab Payroll Process. Select the year, month, and payroll type from the drop-down. The dates are automatically selected by the application. Select the criteria and from. Now, if you want to end the month overtime process, click on Month End Overtime Process button. For ending the month process, click on Month End Process button. Month End Process has been completed, and for Payroll Process, click on Payroll Process button. Payroll has been generated successfully. The process has been completed. That's it for this tutorial. For further assistance, please visit our help portal or email at support@frotech.com. Thank you.